So my final milestone was to wire was to string all of the fingers to the servos, which, as you can see here, I've sort of done. One of the flex sensors actually broke. That is why there are 3 flex sensors on the glove instead of 4 flex sensors. As a solution, these 2 fingers are hooked up to the same servo right here. One of these strings bent on exit on demo night, and I had to glue it in, and that just really made things worse. All of these strings are loose. I only did them in 1 day, and they could be done way better. So here's a quick demo of how it works. You bend the flex sensor, and the flex sensor is a variable resistor, and the more you bend it, the more it resists. So the voltage coming from that resistor gets sent to this Arduino, which reads it as an input, and that input goes to the servo, which spins depending on how much you bend the flex sensor. The strings tied to the finger are tied to the servo, and the strings move in accordance with how much you bend it like this.